We will start by launching the AgnosPCB inspection tool software by clicking on the application icon. First, make sure that the camera and the AOI machine control board are connected to the computer USB ports. Enter your login credentials to the application while the system starts the automatic startup procedure. Now we will take our first reference image with the software. The reference PCB has to be thoroughly inspected by the operator and make sure that there is no error on it before taking the picture. We select the size of the PCB we want to take as a reference and place it in the center of the inspection platform. Click on the Capture Reference button, and the automatic focus process will start. After this, the image will be taken. The mosaic menu will appear automatically. In it, you can add a descriptive name of the PCBA if you wish. Select one of the tile slots to save the image in it. The tile helps the operator to quickly load the most produced PCBAs in the factory and increase productivity. Now, we will proceed with the inspections by clicking on the UUI button or the physical button on the inspection platform. A live preview window will appear, showing the reference PCB as a transparency. Place the PCB to be inspected in the center of the inspection platform and align it with the reference shown in the live preview. Press the Start Inspection button or the physical button, and the machine will take an image of the PCB to be inspected. Because the focus parameters are already set with the reference image, it is not necessary to focus on each inspection, saving time in the process. Once the image is taken, both images will be compared, and the detected errors will be displayed in a matter of seconds thanks to artificial intelligence. On the right side, there are two windows that show both images enlarged in the area where the mouse pointer is located in order to see the elements in detail. Click the right mouse button to switch between Error Mask, Bounding Box, or Clean View in the enlarged UUI window. You can inspect the errors marked by the software by moving with the left and right arrows on the keyboard. Click the up arrow on the keyboard over an error to mark it as a fault. A new window will appear with a cropped image of the error. Select a type of error to mark from the drop-down list. You can also add a comment to it. In case the software detects very large variations in a component or area, it will mark them even if it is not a real error to be monitored by the operator. If there is no real error, they can be marked as a false positive using the down arrow on the keyboard. In the online version, these reports will be sent to the AgnosPCB server and used as patterns to improve the neural network. Once the check has been completed, you can mark whether or not the PCBA has passed the quality control by pressing the OK button. Add an observation if it's necessary. Finally, press green, OK, or red, not OK icon. This will generate a final report in PDF format. The reports can be found in the Reports folder, sorted by name and date. The final report contains the image of the inspected PCBA, as well as the reference image used in the inspection. It also contains useful information such as exclusion masks, if any, operator ID, order ID, and the list of each reported error with its comment and thumbnail. To create an exclusion mask, go to the reference image window by clicking on the Tab button on the keyboard or on the button at the top. Click on the exclusion mask icon and draw rectangles in the desired areas. To delete a drawn area, click on the eraser button and click on the area to remove. Press the Start Inspection button or the Physical button to perform a new inspection. Marked areas will not be inspected, preventing unnecessary false positives from being marked and thus helping to visualize errors more clearly. The exclusion zones will be shown in the final PDF report. In some cases, it is more convenient to select the area to be inspected. To do this, click the right mouse button and draw a rectangle in the desired area of the reference workspace. Press the Start Inspection button or the Physical button to perform a new inspection. All components within the drawn area will be inspected, ignoring those outside it. Use the UUI to REF button to convert an input image into a reference. The mosaic window will appear, and the new reference can be renamed and saved to any slot. This is useful when there is a new marking for a component, and the software marks it as an error, but there are no actual errors. The fault sensitivity can be changed by pressing the 1, 2, or 3 key on the keyboard, or by clicking on the button in the menu. This will make fault detection more stringent for cases where higher accuracy is required. The auto-processing of the images can be disabled by pressing the button at the top of the screen. After taking the image of the PCBA to be inspected, press the Inspection button to process the images. This feature is useful when performing PCBA capture tests and not spending credits unnecessarily. The new AgnosPCB's inspection platform has been designed to inspect panels up to 40 by 50 centimeters, thanks to its automated camera. Take a reference image, place the panel in the middle of the inspection platform, and select a size that covers the entire panel. In case you are not sure, press the Auto button and the software will scan the PCBA to find the most suitable size. You can move around the image quadrants by clicking on the PCBA map on the right side. Check that the images cover the whole panel. Select the most suitable area for focusing, avoiding high components, and press the Focus button. The focusing process will start, and the parameters will be stored. Once finished, press the Capture Reference button, and the AOI will start composing the panel image. To proceed with the inspection, we press the button located at the top or the physical button on the inspection platform. Align the PCBA to be inspected with the reference. Use the map to move through the different zones to ensure that it is correctly aligned. Press Start Inspection, and the camera will automatically capture the panel and compose the image. Each image will be processed individually right after being taken, and all detected errors will be displayed after processing the last image, saving inspection time. To enable the barcode reading, go to Settings menu and mark the barcode option. Capture a new reference image using a PCBA that contains a 1D barcode. The software will capture the barcode automatically. It is also possible to manually draw a barcode area by pressing the button in the main button menu. The barcode number will be included in the final PDF report. To load a reference by reading the PCBA barcode with a barcode scanner, press the Read Barcode button and scan the barcode with a handheld reader. All the references taken can be loaded by clicking on the Open Reference button at the top, even if they have not been saved in the Mosaic menu. To have access from any computer in the local network to the images and reports generated by the software, simply mark the folders to be shared in the Settings menu and click Set. The folders will be accessible from the IP provided.